Hey, sweethearts, it's your girl Naomi here, and I'm so happy you're joining me today. You always bring the best vibes, and I love having you here with me. Inside this little bag, there's something really cute waiting to be shown. A pair of black wedge flip-flops with the prettiest floral straps ever. Just thinking about them makes me smile. The wedge is the perfect height, enough to give a flirty lift, but still super easy to walk in. And those straps, they shine with colorful details that feel bold and playful at the same time. They totally match my mood today, light, fun, and just a little extra. I know you're gonna love how they look on my feet, so stay close. We're just getting started. These wedge flip-flops are seriously the cutest thing. I love how they feel, light, but still giving me that little extra height that makes me feel so flirty and confident. The floral straps are my favorite part. They catch the light in the prettiest way, like a little sparkle with every step. They're so easy to wear, and yet they make me feel dressed up in a really effortless way. Just slipping them on changes my whole mood. Like I'm instantly more playful, more in the moment. It's such a sweet little boost. And I adore how they hug my feet just right. Not too loose, not too tight, just perfect. They move with me so naturally, and I feel like I could wear them all day. Honestly, I didn't expect to like them this much, but now I can't stop admiring how they look and feel. There's something so special about this pair. It's simple, but it makes me feel pretty. And you know I love sharing that feeling with you. I always imagine your reactions, your smiles. It makes everything I do feel so worth it. These wedge flip-flops have totally surprised me. I didn't think something so simple could feel this good. There's something about the way they lift me, just enough to change how I carry myself. It's subtle, but I feel it in every movement. The soft sole is such a treat. I love that gentle cushion under my feet. It almost feels like a little secret comfort hidden in a cute shoe. And those straps, they hold perfectly. No slipping, no adjusting, just smooth, easy comfort that keeps me smiling the whole time. What I really enjoy is how they give off that relaxed, breezy summer vibe without looking plain. There's a bit of charm in their simplicity, like they're saying, I'm cute without even trying, and I love that. I keep noticing how natural they look when I walk, like they belong on me. They are definitely staying in my collection. Honestly, I think these are going to be one of my go-to favorites for warm days when I want to feel playful, but still look put together. Wow, I didn't expect to love these black wedge flip-flops this much. They're just so easy to wear and surprisingly flattering. I feel super cute in them, and they give me a little lift without being uncomfortable at all. I could totally see myself reaching for these again and again. It's honestly been such a fun little session trying them out. I hope you've enjoyed spending this moment with me. If you liked watching me enjoy these, you'll love my other videos too. So don't be shy. Take a peek, and if you want to keep sharing these moments with me, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and stay close. I'll be waiting for you.